absolutely fantastic. और जिस तरीके से इसने एक्शन किया है अकीरा में और उसके बाद on Force 2, it's absolutely outstanding.
Thank you, John.
Yo, more power to girls like Sonakshi, who is live on TV also and on Facebook also. Do you want to say a big hi to all those people who are watching?
Hi guys.
All right, so you do know that mere questions se zyada there will be people who will be asking you questions. So first of all, we'll start with your fans. Okay, this one is nice. Adiba Shah says Sonakshi said that John has a nickname for her. Does Sona also have a nickname for John?
First, let me tell the viewers of SpotboyE 9XM what her nickname is. I call her Snickers.
Snickers.
पहली बार मिला, she was and I couldn't believe it.
गलती से इसके सामने मैंने स्निकर्स उठा के खा लिया और उसके बाद से मुझे आज दिन तक उसके बारे में सुनना पड़ रहा है. So that is why he calls me Snickers. But I don't have a nickname.
You can make
John.
up something today.
She calls me innocent.
She's only laughing after it.
You say
Never.
You say I'm shy.
I can make you a.
You say I'm shy.
Yeah, you're very shy, John. Everybody's seen in Dostana how shy you are. You're very shy.
All right. So now Naman says, John, if you had to propose in the ACP Yashvardhan style, that's creative. How would you do it? Let's think that Sonakshi को आपको propose करना in the ACP Yashvardhan style.
5 साल पहले मेरी बीवी मर गई. अभी मैं रेडी हूँ.
For second baby, I don't. I love you, Ricky, for this question. First of all, a hi to Ricky.
Hi, Ricky.
Ricky says, please give Shardul a hug.
Shardul, you'll have to come here.
I don't mind.
Why don't you give him a big tight hug?
After I'll give a bear hug and your head will just fall out like that.
नहीं, मैं वापस अपनी जगह पे जाकर बैठ जाता हूँ. This
He didn't see, Ricky didn't specify who he wants you to hug.
No, he said Sonakshi.
Show me. I want proof.
Okay, I was just chance मार रहा था मैं यार. Okay, Varsha Kataria says, Sonakshi, if two secret spies had to go out on a date, how and where would it be?
How and where would it be? I think they should go to the most public place because nobody will know that they're spies. So they can go wherever they want.
Okay. Actually, you've lifted bikes, you've lifted cars. अभी क्या बचा है?
Now I don't know. Yeah, I mean, we're already talking about a Force 3, very honestly. And it's not that we're overconfident about Force 2. We, honestly, I'd like to say this on record. We believe we've made a very honest film, and we planned this film 1.5 years ago. Halaki, right now, unfortunately, there've been the Uri attacks and all that. This film is not an opportunistic film. But the way it's turned out, our studio, Viacom, and, Vipul Shah, our co-producer on this film, and Abhinay, of course, has done a fantastic job. We're all very happy with the way it's turned out. We're already talking about the next part. So in that, I don't know what I'd have to lift. Probably a truck.
That'll be amazing,
That'll be amazing.
That'll be so cool. But I love the trailer. But मैंने कहीं पे भी आप दोनों को smile करते हुए नहीं देखा. So in the entire film, are you going to smile? Both of you.
वो आपको film देखकर पता लग जाएगा.
All right, we'll do that. Aryan Arora says, Sonakshi, can you show a few self-defense techniques for women? Like here?
Like here?
Yeah.
In these heels?
Hello, she keeps beating me up every 2 seconds.
Sonakshi beats you up.
Arey, she hammers me on my hands every. I say, hey Sonakshi, tar on. I'm like, क्या हुआ Sonakshi?
Really?
Sexy.
I'm very, very happy that there's safe distance here.
She's a tough girl. She's a tough girl.
That I
now
agree.
I've done it so much that now even if I move, John goes like.
I go like this.
He'll be like.
So you're prepared.
I'm prepared. I'm like.
Dude, like.
मैं बाल को ठीक करने जा रही हूँ, John हो जाए.
So you've decided that you're going to replace John Abraham as the action star.
No.
But I want to tell you something. In Force 2, I am the police officer. She's a raw agent, and she's not like a typical heroine. She's another hero in the film.
Yeah.
And that's what I really respect about her role and the way Sonakshi's actually done this film. क्योंकि काफी ऐसे scenes थे जहाँ पे I still remember one of the scenes she had to jump with me और मैं डर गया. I said, how will I tell Sonakshi to jump, because I was scared of her dad, and then I was scared कि मतलब what will they, if she gets hurt or something, he'll bash me up.
Yeah.
Then finally I requested her and she said, नहीं कोई बात नहीं, I'll jump, don't worry. And I thought she was joking. और shot के time पे we actually jumped 8 feet and I caught her and we flew. She fell and we did at least 10 takes of that. She wouldn't even remember. She's done 10 takes of that shot, no complaint. उसके बाद जितने सारे action scenes हुए, I want to tell our audience on record, there is no double. Sonakshi Sinha has done all the action in the film herself. Wow. Even when our colleague Tahir and me were doing an action sequence in a car at the back, गाड़ी जो है was driven by Sonakshi Sinha.
Wow. Dude, then I think they should make Force 3, 4, सब कुछ बनाना चाहिए. Okay, Mahendra Patil says, John, how many people would it take to defeat you at arm wrestling? Yeah, that we would want to know.
1700.
Seriously, one arm is only
Yeah.
7.
I think I'm a very non-confrontational person in real life. Mein. Last time we Shardul, I told you.
Yeah.
I would never get into if someone has to arm
But
wrestle.
arm wrestling is fine.
वो ठीक है.
नहीं, but आपको देखकर ही कोई ऐसा आने नहीं वाला
हाँ.
confront करने के लिए.
देख के बोले हम हार गए. जाओ.
Yeah, I did that once, and the person, this is a navicular bone. He cracked his navicular bone. So उसके बाद even मजाक में I would not arm wrestle or hurt anyone because it'll hurt.
Next time you hit him, you probably won't.
The gentle giant.
Yeah. All right. Samriddhi Chitkara says, what are you both working on, John and Sonakshi, besides Force 2?
Besides Force 2, I'm working on Noor, which will release in April. John, what are you working on?
I have nothing signed. I'm working on nothing.
Okay.
Yeah, Force 2 releases on the 18th of November. Uske baad, I'm still looking at scripts and I've not signed on anything.
Okay. Basit ZK says, I heard from news that you nearly lost your leg after a stunt. Can you tell us about
Yeah, my right knee यहाँ पे जो है, I was doing a stunt where I was
Now he's
breaking
going
through
to
the doors.
statutory warning. He's going to give very gory and dirty details.
नहीं, ज़्यादा नहीं. Only for 15 seconds.
About blood and like needles and stuff.
I just
John.
had a surgery where they took out the blood from my knee.
Oh.
यहाँ पे and I went back to shoot. और shooting के दौरान I hurt it more और उसके बाद 6 दिन के लिए they kept taking out clotted blood from the knee. And I'd like to tell the viewers of SpotboyE 9XM, and Sonakshi doesn't agree with me and she says, John, don't do it. I want to actually put the surgery videos on air so people can actually see the pain sometimes actors go through, and it's not glamorous. And I want to show them how the clots were falling out of my knee.
Ooh.
And
I've seen it. That's why I'm remembering it while he's talking
it's pretty
about
intense,
it.
and there's no retake.
No, I think you should put it up, because they should know that Force 2 बनाने के लिए कितनी मेहनत इन लोगों ने की
honestly.
है.
And please go and watch it. I really hurt myself very badly. Please.
For y'all.
Yeah.
See the sacrifices John has made.
I think people just want you to do more of this thing, because Sachin Dev says, John, any chance of you facing Sheamus in a wrestling ring?
Oh, wow. Okay, Seamus is a fantastic guy. I really like him. He came to India, and what I liked most about him was the fact that he said he loves India. He loves India. He's saying they're the most beautiful people, the loveliest people. And Seamus, honestly, I've become a big fan of yours because you're a fan of India.
Yeah.
So for me, that's most important. And I don't think I can fight him. He's too big and tough for me. He'll carry me and he'll throw me. Imagine Big Show.
He's taller than you.
Seamus is taller than me. I'm
Yeah?
6'1.5" and Seamus is like 6'3".
Oh, wow.
Yeah, he's
He's
massive.
like the Burj Khalifa of humans.
He's massive.
Yeah, all right. So, Sonakshi, now Shikha has something interesting for you. She says that you've not been doing romantic movies for a long time. She's given us some names and she wants you to do it in romantic, say the lines in romantic avatar, but these are all action names. Like she says, say Khunkar romantically to the camera. She's some quite weird fantasies. Okay, Khunkar, how would you say it romantically?
I'm watching you also.
Yeah.
Khunkar. Khunkar.
Oh, okay then. Maut ke ghat. Oh, it gets better when you hear all the names. Yeah.
Maut
ke
ki
ghat.
ghat.
Oh, I thought you were going to say Maut ke Ghat.
No,
I don't know
that
if it's
you would say.
romantic.
And that is romantic for you maybe, but no.
Oh, this is nice. I think this John and Sonakshi both should do. Zinda gaad dunga.
You say it.
You say na.
You say it. Okay, we'll both look at the
I
camera
want to
and
know.
say
I want to see you now.
We both,
Se zinda gaad dunga.
Zinda gaad dunga.
All right. तड़पा तड़पा के चमड़ी उधेड़. Okay.
ये कौन भेजा है
भाई
ये?
आपके फैंस हैं.
इनका नाम क्या था?
इनका नाम था शिखा.
शिखा.
शिखा जी आप हमें
आप
डायरेक्ट
महान हो.
आप महान हो.
आप बहुत महान हो. बस ऐसे ही चलते रहना लाइफ में. मस्त जा रहे हो.
Okay. Govin Sajeev says, John, how have you worked out for your body for Force 2?
Force 2, I've my weight is about 94-95 kilos. I kept my fat count at about 8 or 9%. But my body is in constant, 365 days of the year. I try and maintain a physique that is manageable. And I think Force 2, you don't really see the body, except in some scenes. but I think it's pretty nice. It's decent. People will find it.
What do you have to say?
They'll call it the first body.
You agree?
Yeah, I completely
But isn't it true that Bombay ka sara, poultry आपके घर जाता होगा ना? All the eggs must be going to your house.
No, I hardly have about 30 odd egg whites a day now.
30
But force I used to have 50 plus.
50 अंडे.
Yeah, egg white.
मैं बता रहा हूँ अगर अंडों की कमी हो जाए तो John Abraham is responsible for that.
No. But then you need little food, because you need to survive every 2-3 hours. You need to eat.
You need little food, not 50 eggs.
Yeah. But that's the best form of protein.
50?
Egg whites.
No, just egg whites, right? You don't eat that much.
No, I
Okay.
can't. It's physically impossible.
She has pizza.
And he steals it away. Like,
And
my
still
God.
she does all those action things like
She was, Shardul, she was hiding and having pizza
How do
in
you think
Budapest.
you get the strength? मैंने बुजॉन को बोला तो he hurt his knee and all ना. He was a better turn. Snickers खाओ 5 दिन में ठीक हो जाओगे.
she was hiding and having pizza. So
She was hiding with the hood, and I'm asking everybody, Sonakshi kahan pe? They're saying, sir, Sonakshi wahan pe. And I go there and I can only see the pizza like this and one hood. And I look
why
and
would you
I
hide and eat?
Because he doesn't let you eat, yeah.
Really?
I
Yeah.
pulled it out and I could see the cheese like one elastic just going like
And
this.
I'm watching it go, nahi, मेरा pizza, and it's gone.
That's like sadder than a heartbreak, right?
It's terrible. He is the worst person to be around if you're a foodie. Because वो मतलब आप खाओ भी तो वो शांति से खाने नहीं देगा. वो कैलोरी काउंट बताएगा. इसमें कितने कैलोरीज होते हैं, इसमें कितना फैट होता है, इसमें कितने ऑयल होते हैं. ये वो बताएगा और दिमाग आदमी का वही खराब हो जाता है.
चलो कुछ तो अच्छी बात है कि जॉन के
खाने
साथ
में
काम
मजा ही नहीं आता.
This one is for both of you. Sagar Gupta says, when are both of you coming back with Akshay sir?
Oh, yeah. We would like to do something
Yeah.
together. Yeah, but
Oh, what if 3 of us come together? in a film?
that'll be fun.
Force
That'll
3
be
maybe.
Pagal. Like it'll be mad.
Force 3 maybe.
No, I think we need to create something with Akshay because honestly, I know she's got a great relationship with Akshay. I've got a fantastic relationship with Akshay. So I think we'd love to work
Yeah.
with him again.
It will
He's
be
such
one
positive
mad-
energy and he's
mad experience, yeah.
he's a sweetheart.
Yeah.
Love him. Yeah, love him.
Okay, so he's obviously told us a lot of things that how you used to hide and eat pizza and how you would jump from all the things. Please tell us something about him that people don't know besides the surgery.
Besides the surgery, I just said no. He's the complete fitness trainer on set. सबको मतलब विशेष टिप्पणी मिलेगी वर्कआउट पर, खाने पर, which is in a way good, but like even when you're trying to enjoy a meal, he won't let you enjoy it. And हमेशा जब भी अभी now even till today अगर कोई भी स्वीट को मैं देखूं पहले टोइंग जॉन की याद आती है, फिर मैं सोचूं खाओ कि नहीं खाओ.
But now she's nice. Once I entered the makeup van and she was having eggs and bread. I said, Sonakshi, what's that? She's saying bread. So I was like, oh, okay, just
Considering that they've not been allowed to have lunch. Veer Patil says Sonakshi had planned to do this hairstyle for this movie.
Which?
Had you planned to do this hairstyle for this movie?
Actually that's the time when I had cut my hair really short and it was really going with the look of the film.
like
mean,
that,
she's
yeah.
a raw age and she's very sleek and very smartly dressed, and so that bob cut looked really, really nice on for the character. So I kept it. I mean, yeah, it looked
Okay.
apt for the character.
Tell me something, if you would want to see her in a, which also Akshay is asking, if you want to see her in a role different from, the roles that she would be doing, what is the ideal role for Sonakshi?
I honestly, because I've done Force 2 with her, I love her in this space. But Sonakshi has got this quality of being the typical Indian girl, and she's a quintessential Indian beauty.
Yeah.
So whether it's Dabang or whether it's Lutera,
Yes.
or whether it's which is a film that this guy directed, Tevar. If you look at Sonakshi's range across everything, she can transform in both roles beautifully. So I genuinely think she's the quintessential Indian beauty.
Wah, wah, she's
Thank
very
you,
happy.
John.
Now, one role that you'd like to see John in?
One role I'd like to see him in a really nice romantic film, yeah. Huh?
Okay,
Why not?
He's not very happy with that, right?
Yeah, why?
I'll do romantic.
But why did you make that face?
But what do you do in a romantic film?
I mean, like a love story, yeah. Like see a Lutera.
Give a flower to her.
No, like something with more substance.
Yeah,
or
okay.
something. Because we've seen
Okay.
you do so much action, it'll be
Yeah,
nice
that's
to
true.
like.
But actually, I agree
Yeah.
with you. Maybe romance is something I've not attempted.
Yeah.
But my favorite genre is comedy.
That we all know.
I love comedy.
Yeah.
Alright, so we will definitely wait for you both in comedy, but I think your fans love action because Akash Gada says, Sonakshi, what is the strangest way to torture your enemy as a spy?
The strangest way to torture.
Have you tortured anyone?
I Actually,
She
I
did
haven't
it in the
tortured
rehearsals.
anyone. Who did I torture?
You electrocuted that.
No.
Okay.
Who?
You put those live wires on that
Listen,
guy.
he's like fake अफवाहें फैला रहा है ये आदमी, इसकी बात बिल्कुल मत सुनो.
ये आदमी.
I have not tortured anyone, okay?
But that's okay once in a way.
Well, I think they
Put
both.
electrical wires on you now.
I think I would love to see Force 2 now after having interacted with both of them because there's such certain ease. So would you want to say anything to all your fans on the as a closing thought?
You say, Sonakshi?
Yeah, I'd like to say thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed our little chat, and go and watch our film Force 2 on 18th November. It's releasing and I'm sure that you'll really like it and you'll be proud of it because it's a film that will really evoke a very strong sentiment about your country in you. So yeah, go out there and watch it.
Yeah, I agree with Sonakshi. I think by default and not by design, I think Force 2 has become a very important film for India. And I think everyone must go and see it. We've made an honest film. I think if we keep pushing the film and saying it's damn good would be unfair. I think the audience and you guys are going to decide, and we respect you for your decision. But we made a very honest film. We worked hard for it. So we hope you really enjoy it as much as we enjoyed shooting it.
We will, 18th November. Thank you so much for tuning in on 9XM and SpotboyE.
Okay, are we doing...
एक बात समझ में नहीं आती, अच्छे लोग क्यों मरते हैं, अच्छों के साथ